I hereby refer the matter of non-implementation of the production order concerning Senator Ejazchaudhry to the Privileges Committee for its consideration and report.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आप देख रहे हैं ज़मीनी हक़ाइक़ और मैं हूँ महबूब रहमान तनोली। आज चेयरमैन सेनेट ने एक रूलिंग जारी की और एजाज चौधरी को प्रोडक्शन आर्डर जारी होने के बावजूद सेनेट में पेश न करने पर उन्होंने ये रूलिंग जारी की और ये मामला बाद में इस्तेकाक कमेटी के सपोर्ट कर दिया गया। इस दौरान पीटीआई के दूसरे सेनेटर अब्बास बप्पी की भी प्रोडक्शन आर्डर जारी हुए थे, लेकिन वो आज पेश हो गए, लेकिन एजाज चौधरी को पेश नहीं किया गया। अच्छी बात यह है कि इंडिकेट करता है कि आपने कम से कम कोशिश तो की, कि आइन और कानून के मुताबिक चला जाए, और फिर ये एक अच्छा इंडिकेशन है और अच्छा जस्चर है चेयरमैन सेनेट की तरफ से। यूसफ गीलानी ने इस हवाले से मज़ीद क्या कहा, आप भी सुनिए।
आबाद साहब आप दो मिनट बैठे, मैं रूलिंग दे रहा हूँ और उनका जो प्रोडक्शन ऑर्डर जारी नहीं हुआ उसके ऊपर मैं एक रूलिंग दे रहा हूँ। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। That on 13th January 2025, I, in exercise of powers conferred under Rule 84(1) of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Senate, 2012, issued production orders in respect of Senator Ejazchaudhry, who is in judicial custody and detained in Court Lakhpat Jail, Lahore, for the 345th session of the Senate. However, despite the issuance of these orders, the Senator was not produced before the House during this session, thereby impeding this right to participate in the parliamentary proceedings. Subsequently, on 6 March 2025, I became aware through media reports that Senator Abbas had been detained by the Punjab Police. Under Rule 79 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Senate 2012, it is explicitly provided that when a case is registered against a member or a member is arrested on a criminal charges, convicted or detained under an executive order of the committing judge, magistrate or executive authority, is duty bound to immediately intimate such facts to the Chairman Senate, including indicating the reasons for the arrest, detention, or imprisonment of the member in the appropriate prescribed in the second schedule. Regrettably, no such intimation was received in my office in this instance, reflecting a clear violation of established parliamentary procedures and disregard for institutional protocol. On 7th March 2025, in the continued exercise of my authority under Rule 84(1) of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in Senate 2012, I issued production orders once again for Senator Ejazchaudhry and also for Senator Abbas. In partial compliance with the order, Senator Abbas has been produced before the Senate today. However, yet again, the directive concerning Senator Ejazchaudhry have not been fulfilled, amounting to non-compliance with the lawful orders of the chair. This is not an unprecedented situation. When I was the Speaker of the National Assembly, a similar situation arose where production orders were not implemented. At that time, in the interest of upholding parliamentary privileges, I was compelled to refer the matter to the Privileges Committee. Once again, this House is faced with a situation where the orders of the custodian are not being implemented. As Chairman Senate, my only endeavor is to uphold the supremacy of Parliament, rule of law, and constitutional dictates. As per Rule 71 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in Senate 2012, disobedience of the orders of the Chairman Senate constitute a breach of privilege. Such disregard of parliamentary authority cannot be allowed to persist unchecked, as it threatens the institutional integrity of the Senate and broader democratic framework. Therefore, I in exercise of my powers in accordance with established parliamentary procedure, I hereby refer the matter of non-implementation of the production order concerning Senator Ejazchaudhry to the Privileges Committee for its consideration and report.